All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Although I do different types and types of videos, I do some entertainment videos, I do some, breakdown of a song, maybe. I do some funny videos here and there, that type of thing. One of the types of videos that I value the most that I do on SouFLoTV is telling my audience members the importance of getting a life insurance policy. All right. And as long as you're alive, what you want to do is you want to make sure that policy grows, that policy is big. Invest more in the policy. The same way you take money to go buy fancy clothes and dash out a party and them thing there, make sure you have a monthly budget for a life insurance policy, especially if you're going to be leaving children behind. Now, we did a video recently now where we say rest in peace to a legend. We're talking about Louie Rankin. And now on the front page of some paper, I'm taking this one exactly from the Observer, Jamaica Observer, that says, Louie Rankin, wife sets up GoFundMe. And the comments are what are more disturbing than anything else, because our people stay already. Our people are going to kick you when you're down. They'll even kick you when you're dead. You know what I'm saying? And tell you when you're dead over your casket about the things you should have done right. You're gone already, right? But they see it as that's the right time. And another thing about our people is they would rather pray for you than throw $1 at you. You know what I'm saying? In other words, then, go get it on your own, because I ain't got nothing to give. So, Julie Sykes, who is the executive assistant to the late DJ actor Louie Rankin and mother of 3 of his children, has set up a GoFundMe account to raise money to assist them. GoFundMe is an American fundraising platform where persons make donations to people or to a cause. Up to press time, the amount of money that had been raised so far in this GoFundMe was $11,500 US. Off the intended goal, the target she's trying to reach is $30,000 US. A lot of people are saying, man, big movie star like that and big musician like that with so many rich friends, wealthy friends, and prominent people in the music and entertainment industry who profess to be this man's friend while he was alive, yet his woman is out here begging for $30,000 to help with their children, the children he left behind. I'm going to talk about that in a second. All right, my SouFLoTV audience, once again, it's all about Father and Sons TV. Yes, Father and Sons TV. I am proud to present to you Father and Sons TV. This is my brother. He's located in the UK, and he goes around with his sons and sometimes by himself asking people trick questions. It's a really funny show for a good laugh. And check this out. The content is clean. I'm talking about family material clean. You know them shows where you can sit and watch with your grandmother and you don't have to worry that grandma gonna say, Lord of mercy, is what kind of cuss word and dirty language them using in this. I don't want to hear this, man. In the name of Jesus. You don't have to worry about that, right? You can watch this with your children because children are involved. And I guarantee you your children can relate to his children, right? So this is a family affair. Father and Sons TV. Remember, as we over here at SouFLoTV say family, don't it? We say family like popcorn. Family. We say family. All right, so that means you go and support your family. This is my family. I'm asking you to go and like, comment, share, subscribe on the channel, and let him know in the comment section. I came here because of SouFLoTV. Big up yourself. SouFLoTV sent me. I promise you, you will enjoy the content anyways. Me, I travel vicariously by other people's channel. So there are places in the world I haven't been yet, even though I have been to London. I lived there for a while. But you can actually go and watch the channel and get a vibe for the English accent, the way how people interact. Enough people think ain't no black people in England too. That's another thing for you to see. All right, just how people live and interact. It's a fun, loving channel. Father and Sons TV. Tell them that SouFLoTV sent you. All right, and don't forget when you go over there to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'm out. Second, let me finish this first. According to the GoFundMe account, Louie Rankin left behind a 1-year-old twin set of daughters a 3-year-old daughter, and 2 stepchildren, ages 8 and 11. So Louie would want his children to continue a good life and to have a good education. At this time, we are asking for support with funeral expenses and for his youngest children's future. Even if you just share to help keep his memories alive. Read a paragraph accompanying the account. Louie Rankin, given name Leonard Ford, he died September 30th in a motor vehicle crash on Highway 89 in Ontario, Canada. The 66-year-old St. Thomas native lived in Ontario, Canada for several years. He became a popular figure in dancehall music entertainment world after he released his own song Typewriter in 1992. Louie Rankin achieved even more fame in big movies like Belly, and then alongside DMX and Nas. In 1998, a low-budget movie directed by Hype Williams, which became, by the way, a cult classic, a phenomenon. He was cast alongside these hip-hop heavyweights, and I just said before, Nas and DMX. Belly was panned by critics in the United States, but brought in over $9 million at the box office, earning a tidy profit on its $3 million budget. In 2002, Louie Rankin appeared in another cult classic, which is called Shatters, another urban drama with a cast that included people like Spragga Benz and Kimani Marley. At the time of his death, he was filming another movie in Toronto, funded by iHouse Records. And they said that, according to his best friend, he had just spoken to him prior, and it seems like he drove, he was the one driving, and he probably fell asleep at the wheel, and his vehicle collided with a semi, a big truck, and the rest is history, right? Now, here's the part that gets me now. So this brother has passed now, and let me read a couple of comments first, and then I'm going to give my two-piece. Jeffrey L. Donovan says, I don't know the rationale for spending an exorbitant amount of money at 9 nights and at funerals by some Jamaicans. It seems like poor people spend more on funerals than rich people. Who are they trying to impress? Why not use most of that money for the family that is still alive, especially the young ones who really need it? Why flash cash on a funeral and then later on have to flash a bucket to get cash to live? It makes no sense. So it's a lot of ridicule going on here. Another person says, most of these Caribbean singers and actors, they never invested in their insurance policies when they were on top of their game. And they lived a hype life, big spender lifestyle, until sudden death arrives, only to find them broke like hell. All right. Another person, chapter 1 says, Louie would want his children to continue a good life and have a good education. So this person is going to break down what was said in the paragraph following the GoFundMe. Since there is not a mention of other children, then we will go ahead with the implied suggestion that 1, the deceased started a family at 63 years old, 3 and 7 shy of the time it is appointed unto man once to die. 2, he had in place no life insurance, or the dead one for that matter, even though his youths will turn 18 in the year 2034 and 2037. 3, by the time the twins turn 18, he would have been 84 years old. That is a baker's dozen and 1 worth of brata. 4, he's failed to put his house in order. 5, behold, it is unwise for get youths in a old age with no resources to take care of them. 6, I live all this while and miss some of the most important lessons in a life. That's what that person wrote. Now, honestly, instead of writing all that, you could have donated $1, 4 quarters. Pull it out of your car seat, out of the couch in your house, underneath your chair, somewhere you're looking at the bottom of your purse, shake out your wallet. 4 quarters is all it takes instead of writing all that. Because you wrote all that and to say what? You know what I'm saying? Now, Deli B says, so where are all the entertainment friends who were quick to dole out condolences and post pictures of themselves with Teddy Bruckshot on their social media platform? R.I.P. Don Dada. Burn says, is this a genuine concern or is this a scam? Because with its strong social service, these children, presumably born and living in Canada, they will be taken care of. CC says, wait, what? Didn't he have life insurance, death insurance, any insurance? Chapter 1 says, seems so, according to this report. Or doesn't seem so, according to this report. And the last comment, Mark Thought, says, this is not good at all. So many kids and did so many things, and death brings out the truth state of affairs. I hope this is a lesson for us all men to learn from. Jaman Thomas says, sell some of his jewelry. Enough chains, always on display. Alright, you see, I'm going to close this video by saying this. A lot of people are envious of you when you live a certain way while you're alive. What I want to tell a lot of people is this, okay? And this is the God's honest truth. A lot of these people that you worship as celebrities, that you see a flash a bunch of gold chain and diamond rings and all this, I can tell you from personal experience, from meeting a lot of these people and knowing people from their personal lives, that a lot of it is fake and false. They wear false jewelry and fake jewelry. For one, a lot of them are scared of getting robbed and they're not going to spend on, but they automatically know that because of who they are, you, the public, are going to think, damn, that big chain that we have on, it look heavy. It must cost a whole lot of money. When in truth and in fact, it's a fake chain. Okay? And a lot of the jewelries are fake. And then let's talk about the industry. The industry thrives off of death. Whether it's death to promote a movie or a next upcoming project, or me whose my career is dying, but I can piggyback off the death of this recent celebrity to just throw out condolences with me and a picture of him together. So you have people that do these things, but really they don't mean you any well. In the end, I'm going to say this about Louie Rankin though. Come on now. I don't want to sabotage this GoFundMe, okay? Because if the intentions are pure and it's really for the kids, then I hope they do get to $30,000, which is a small drop in the bucket, really and truly. I don't know what her intentions are. I heard somebody say, kiss me granny neck back, then that means that him did that with one broke white woman then. You know what I'm saying? Laugh out loud. So I guess they were trying to say that if you were going to go white, then you should have went for one that had money. Why go for a whitey that was broke? But anyway, like I said, they kick you when you're down, and that's how they do. In any event, let it be known that I told you so. Go get some life insurance while you're alive, especially you people out there who have children that you might leave behind. Death is certain. Death comes suddenly, creep up on you like a thief in the night and snatch you away. You understand? And you gotta be prepared. You don't know the hour, the minute, or the second. With that said, I am a man that believe like, yo, I see some powerful people that say Gaza this and cartel that. And I'm saying though, yo, you can't drop out 2 million US in a somebody pocket and make Vibes Cartel come a road. But I get to learn that people will ride your wave and they will draw current from your strength. But that's about it. When it comes time for putting their money where their mouth is, even if they have it to do so, they more than likely won't. End of the day, what I wish would happen here though, I wish people like Nas and DJ Khaled and Popcorn and all these people who were quick to dole out condolences and are in a position to spend a little bit of money. I'm sure DJ Khaled, Nas, and Popcorn can come up with $30,000 amongst them three. So call this woman, say, look, let's take the shame out of our eyes. And let's do this for the love of Louie from us and for the sake of the children. Take down the GoFundMe page there. Take the 11,000 we're in there already, pocket that and put it with this 30,000. Now you have $41,000 and you good. And leave it where it's at. Did I say anything wrong? Leave your comments in the comment section below. It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out. Peace.